Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save an article or unsave an article. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then you can see the articles, and under the image representation of the article, you can see that save icon. And if I'm going to click on it, then you can see that I can save to my reading list, or I can create new list. If I click on the create new list, I can give a list name, a description, and I can set it to be private or not. And yeah, this is how you can save an article. And if you click again on that save button, and I'm going to click on the reading list, done, then you can see that it's unsaved. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.